In today's video, I'll show you how to use Typeform for customer feedback step by step. If you want to understand your customers better, improve your product or service, and collect honest opinions, this setup is exactly what you need. First, open your Typeform account and go to your workspace. Then click Create New Form to start building your feedback form. Once the form builder opens, start with a welcome screen. Keep it simple and friendly, and clearly explain that you're collecting feedback to improve your service. Next, click Add Content and begin adding your feedback questions. Start with basic rating questions like satisfaction level, using opinion scale or rating style questions. For example, you can ask, "How satisfied are you with our service?" After that, add multiple choice questions to understand specific experiences, such as what users liked most or what needs improvement. Then include a long text question so customers can give detailed feedback in their own words. This is where you often get the most valuable insights. To make the form more engaging, you can also use conditional logic. For example, if someone gives a low rating, you can show a follow-up question asking what went wrong. Next, go to the Design section and customize your form. Keep it clean and simple so users can focus on answering without distractions. Before publishing, always test your form in preview mode. Make sure the flow feels natural and all questions are easy to understand on both mobile and desktop. If you want to organize responses better, you can connect your form to tools like spreadsheets or automation platforms to track feedback automatically. Once everything looks good, click Publish and share your form link with your customers through email, website, or social media. And that's it. You've successfully created a customer feedback form in Typeform and can now collect valuable insights to improve your business. And that's how you use Typeform for customer feedback. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.